So our butterfly is actually starting to get that shape that we're looking for. What we're going to do here is we're going to fold this up something like this, to where this point here is kind of in line as this line comes down, like it would still be in line here, and that this point crosses right across here, right in the middle. So we'll take that, fold it down really good. Take our chopstick to it. Do the same thing here. As this line here would come down, it's going to intersect with that point. Pull it down just a little bit. Also make it even with the other one as well. Take my chopstick to it here. And now, I'll fold it down once again. Like a little something like this, a little straight down, so to speak. And then we'll do the same to the other side.